guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Tom and today we're going to make garlic butter in two different ways. One super quick, will only take 5 minutes, and the other one will be a little bit longer, maybe up to an hour, because we're going to roast that garlic, get a really deep flavour. Garlic butter has so many uses. One of the obvious favourites is to put it on some bread and toast it and have your own garlic bread. Serve that with a nice plate of pasta or a risotto, or you could put it over a hot steak, let it melt over. You can chuck it into a pan with some mushrooms and you've got beautiful garlic mushrooms. You can use it for the filling of a nice chicken Kiev, nice homemade chicken Kiev. You can just toss it over some nice fresh pasta. Honestly, it has so many uses. Garlic butter will last in the fridge for up to 1 week, or you can put it in the freezer and it will last for up to about 3 months, and you can take it out and use it as and when you need it. Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, Mississippi 7, Mississippi 8, Mississippi 9, Mississippi 10, Mississippi 9. Alright, that's it. That's how you make garlic butter in two different ways. But my question for you is, which method did you prefer and what dish would you use your garlic butter for? Let me know in the comments below. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I release new recipe videos every single week and you do not want to miss them. I will see you in the next video.